Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, as promised, we're gonna be making some treat bags. You guys know that I love making treat bags. I make them almost for every holiday, and of course I have to make them for Valentine's Day. I had made a video on how to make treat bags, or how I make treat bags for Halloween season. Now, I filmed that video at nighttime just because I was so happy and anxious to film the video, but I wasn't very happy with the quality. So, I'm refilming a video on how to make them where it's brighter and hopefully you guys can see better because it was really bad lighting. So, yeah, you guys, these are the ones that I've made so far. And I did post these 3 on Instagram, so you probably saw those there. And they're super easy to make, super fun. And they're great to add your little embellishments inside and send some goodies to your pen pals inside them. That's what I like to do. I'll send some goodies inside there, maybe some Project Life cards, some cut apart cards, or anything like that, or any small embellishment that I package that can fit in here. I do like to send in here. It just makes it cuter. So yeah, you guys, these are the ones that I've made. I'm gonna bring them up and show you. This is the first one. And this one is using Carter Bella's new collection, Hello Sweetheart. Same as this one. Let's see, the focus is good. That's that one. You don't have to go crazy embellishing. This one as well. The paper is from Carter Bella. And the little chipboard piece is from the Main Squeeze collection by Crate Paper. And then this one is a paper collection that I had purchased last year on Etsy. I'm going to see if I can link them down below. But very simple, but super cute. But yeah, you guys, those are the ones that I've made. I'm going to put them over here. Make sure my focus is back down, so we could get to making some treat bags. Now, I'm going to use that Etsy collection that I found last year, and I actually found the file, and I think it's super cute. Isn't this paper cute, you guys? I love it. Let me know down below if you guys like this paper. I think it's so cute, and I'm thinking I'm gonna use it quite often. I think I want to make a pocket letter with it and maybe a flip book because I love the pattern. And I didn't even show, I think I have like 12 papers of this collection. It's super pretty. There's a lot of gray, a lot of black, and then the red and the pink, of course. But anyway, this is what we're using today. I have my papers 8x8. That's what the size is. So we're starting off with an 8x8 sheet of paper. I'll have all the measurements down below so you guys can have that when you're making your little treat bags. Now, you start off with your 8x8. I'm going to do one at a time. And then what you want to do is you want to score about 1/2 inch on the bottom. You see how I have my line scored about 1/2 inch? Oh, is that big? Yeah, it's about 1/2 inch. So let me move these little guys over here. Okay, so you're gonna score your paper about 1/2 inch. And once you score your paper, of course, you make your fold just so that you have your nice little crease. But then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold somewhat in the middle. You can actually fold wherever you want, just somewhere in the middle. And then you're going to bring in the other flap and you're going to go over a tiny bit, just enough to where you know you can put some adhesive, just a tiny bit so your bag doesn't come out so small. Okay, and that's unless you want a small bag, because if you want it to be smaller, then of course you can go in a little further. And then you fold that down, and then you're going to be left with something that looks like this. Now, before you start adding your adhesive, you want to cut these little squares out in the corners. So you have 3 little triangles, no, not triangles, rectangles, and you're going to cut these 2 out right here. The smallest ones, you leave the biggest one and you cut the small ones out from the left and the right. And then we're going to cut those out. And then I'll show you guys what you're left with. So you should be left with something that looks like this. Now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna cut at an angle on each side of this little rectangle down here. You see how that looks? That's what you're gonna wanna do. So like a mini triangle. Basically this is what you're cutting off your paper, so that you can be left with something that looks like this, which is going to be the flap of your little treat bag. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue the bag together. So I'm gonna be using my ATG gun and just run it right across the edge and put that right over. And you see how our bag is coming together. And you're gonna wanna run some more on the bottom flap so you can close it up. And you see how your bag is coming together, you guys? Now you can either choose to make it a straight cut or like a little baggy cut. I do some straight and some with the little zigzag scissors. So that's what we're gonna do. Just wanna make sure where I want it. So So now we have our little zigzag bag. Sometimes it doesn't come out the straightest, and I don't think that's why. I don't think I have the best zigzag scissors, so I usually don't like to use that as often, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so now I brought out some doilies. I brought out, of course, my little tray of die cuts, because of course we're gonna decorate. So what I'm thinking I want to do for this one is I want to run some red crepe paper down this way. I'm just gonna use my glue gun for this, just because it's faster. Sometimes I use my ATG gun, but today we're gonna use the glue gun. We're just gonna make it nice and straight, and you just gotta have to work real fast to make your little scrunches. Okay? And then you cut off the excess. So I wanted to put that on the bag. And then I'm thinking about putting maybe a cute little card. Let's see what we have here. Maybe something like XOXO. That could be an option. Or something. No. Let's see what else we have here. I have some cards in here. Oh, I like this for like down there. Isn't that cute right there? True love forever. Oh, you guys, look how cute. What if we put him? He's cute. So we can put him maybe over a card, but I need a full card. Hold on one second. And we put like, oh, he would cover it too much, so I would probably need like maybe half the card. Would it be too much if I put him on that? I think he is so cute, you guys. But I don't know if I'm feeling this card. I definitely want this True Love Forever on the bottom, so we're gonna put that down. because that I definitely want here. I like to always put like a little saying. I don't know if I should put him alone or should I put like a little doily. I should have put the door. Oh no, maybe I can put him like that. Let's see. What do you guys think? I think it looks cute. Or should I put him alone? On the little thingy right here. And maybe like something else there. I'm stuck, you guys. I don't know what I should do. Oh, I think I have another one of those. Hold on a second. I have these little cards that say that you're the bomb, but I don't. Maybe I could. Oh, it'll match his shirt though, because he has a striped shirt. Maybe it's a little too much on the stripes. What do you guys think? I feel like I'm stuck. I don't know what I want to do. Let me see. Maybe we shouldn't use him then. Let me look at these other cards that I have going. I have a bunch of cards. Oh, you guys, I found him in a card version. What do you guys think? Oh, I like that one better. Alright, I think we're gonna do, let me just add. I think we're gonna do him in a card form instead of the die cut. And we're gonna place him down right here. What do you guys think? I think it looks cute. And then we're gonna add maybe some little, like a little heart. We can add like a little heart right here. And then of course, some enamel dots. You can layer the little heart right here just to give it a little extra. And then I wanted to put another little dark enamel dot right there. But yeah, you guys, look how cute. Isn't that super cute and easy? I think it's super easy to make. You guys can do whatever you want. Usually when I'm crafting and if I'm like on the spot, it makes it harder because when I'm actually making a project by myself, it literally takes me forever. I think I go through my whole entire stash when I'm creating stuff. But yeah, you guys, that's how easy these little treat bags are. I'm gonna have all the measurements down below so that you guys know what size it could be, even though you can change that. By starting off with an 8x8, you can still make the bag whatever size you want. So yeah, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for all the love on my V-Day videos. You guys are amazing. They're doing so well and it's just filling my heart with so much joy. And yeah, if you want, definitely go check out my Instagram. I just hit 3,000 and I'm going to be having a giveaway. I'm going to be putting up the details later this week. So definitely go check that out and enter that. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.